Hey everyone, I just wanted to share with you guys a very quick tip, especially when you're trying to remove your wheel lugs. Okay, you know, you're removing it, and then this bolt right here is stuck into your socket. And there's a method you could do is maybe you'll be like, okay, I'm gonna use a screwdriver and poke it out. Don't do that, because you're gonna poke it and the bolt will just fly. The nut, will just fly elsewhere. The best trick to do is use a heavy hammer. This one here is a 4-pound hammer, and hit it right here or right here until the nut will come loose and out, because the vibration will just force the nut to go out. Don't worry about, your hammer won't break the socket right here, so there's no worry about it. And you're supposed to use a impact, like here, impact socket, to remove your lug nuts anyways. And they're very tough. And here you go, like you can see, it's like super tight. And then you place it back here and you try to wiggle it out. You can't, but it's really stuck, because the teeth kind of didn't loosen properly. Okay, just gonna hit it. Okay, it's coming out, as you can see. Sorry, I'm holding the camera. Alright, there you go, it's loosened. As you can see, it took many hits in order to remove this, so therefore it was very dangerous for you to use a screwdriver to take out this nut. Hope that this helped, and subscribe if you guys want some more tips. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye bye.
I recall